everyone. Excuse my voice. It is absolutely horrible right now. I look horrible. I don't know why. I thought I'm gonna do this tutorial today, but I'm sick. I have like a little bit of a head cold. So instead of buying the Clarisonic, I probably should have bought a humidifier. But I'm so excited to try it, and I wanted to just kind of film my first cleaning. I haven't actually used it yet. I just got it today. So I got mine from Amazon. It was $159. I'm a little bit bummed out because like I thought I got the massaging head. There's a complete pack that has separate heads on it, not just the brush. It has a massaging one that's supposed to be anti-aging because I'm 39 and I'm interested in not just the cleaning of it, but the, that's my daughter, the anti-aging aspect of it. So I'm a little bummed. It's only $159 though. My husband was already mad at me, so I was like, alright, okay, whatever. This is the box that it came in. Sorry, I'm dropping all the stuff here. And so my daughter recommended this. She worked at Sephora, and she never cleans her face without it, basically. And I haven't bought one of the Sonic toothbrushes, but it's supposed to exfoliate your skin. It's supposed to smooth away dead skin, tighten your pores, and prepare your face to absorb serums a lot better and moisturizers. So I'm hoping that it does all that. And I can order the massaging head for like $54, which I'm just going to wait a while since I just spent $159. So, coming out of the box, you attach the massaging head. I think you push it and turn clockwise. I know my daughter said you have to reorder these a lot. I kind of just pushed it and turned until I heard a click. I hope it's in there well. And then it comes with a charger, and I actually had to plug my own USB plug into it. So I'm going to plug that in right here. I don't know how long the battery life is, but yeah. So the app was really cool. You downloaded an app. It's free. You just look for Clarisonic at in the App Store, and basically there's different routines. I took a quiz, and the quiz gave me the gentle cleanse routine. I actually do have sensitive skin, and I read that they don't recommend this for sensitive skin, so I think this one I'm going to go with the gentle cleansing first. But there's other cool ones like 15 Signs of Aging, which I'm trying to do the anti-aging. And then there's Lifted Cheeks and Eye Lift. So if we have time, maybe we'll try the eye lift too, because that's like the area, like the crow's feet, the eyes, you know. I'm hoping it'll do what a facial will do. So let's try. I'm going to click the gentle cleanse. Let's see. And it says basically, I mean, this app just makes it so easy. But it tells you step by step. Forehead 20 seconds. So I'm going to turn it on here, and you just press this button. It's on. And I think it's going. Cheeks, 10 seconds. So let me go back. Routine. Gentle cleanse. So there it is right there. Okay, I totally just washed my face and realized that, oh, here's my little assistant helping me with this video, by the way. I realized that my camera only records 5-minute increments. So anyway, we're going to try this again. So I looked this up, and basically to get started, you wet your face, then you wet the brush. So I'm going to wet my face, holding a baby, by the way. I can multitask. And you want to wet your brush head. so I just got it nice and wet. This time, I can still see cleanser on it. The first time I used the energizing cleanser, since my face is kind of tingly and I'm doing it right after it, I'm going to try the gentle cleanser because I do have sensitive skin. I'm going to move this off. I've got sensitive skin, and it doesn't recommend this at all for sensitive skin. I think it's going to be fine. I also have rosacea, so I don't want it like flaring up my rosacea. So when you go to turn it on, I have 4 different routines set on here. I have the gentle cleanse, 15 signs of aging, and the eye lift. I think if I press the smart button, so if I start and keep pressing down to the smart, I think it'll do all of them. So I'm going to start with the gentle cleanse, and it says, I'm going through the routine. I'm already missing the first part of it. Forehead. So at first I was doing it really soft. It just beeped, so I think I'm technically supposed to be on my nose. And it wasn't foaming at first, but then it says cheeks, but it's beeping every time, and like I said, it feels really good. So I'm going to do like an upward motion on my cheeks. What do you think, Emerson? Does it look like it's working? It just beeped again, so I think that's 30 seconds. I don't know. Let me go back to the gentle cleanse. Cheek. Okay, so it's basically forehead, 20, nose, and I kind of am putting a little more pressure. I was doing it really lightly at first, and then cheek is 10 seconds, and then I just stopped. But I have other active routines, so let's try one of the other ones. Let's see if it'll let us do the 15 signs of aging. So that is, if it'll work. Routine. Alright, so I think you start with this part. I'm not going to do all this. Your neck. And actually, the aging ones, you're supposed to be doing the massaging head, but it's $54. So I'm just going to use this one. You do your cheeks. I'm going to do an upward motion for the cheeks until it beeps. Feels really good. What do you think, Emerson? I think she likes it. Yeah, it's nice. I'm actually going to do my eyes, the eye lift. So I'm just going up with the eye. It feels fantastic. Like I said, I'm sick, so it stopped. I went overboard. So I'm just going to, if I'm going to keep going, just keep going. I put it back on smart. So I'm going to do this eye. I'm just going up. My eye looks fantastic. Yeah. She's like, I don't know what you're doing. So you know what? I don't have to follow Clarisonic rules. I can just wing it. You know what I'm saying? Let's do the forehead. Or the 5 head, if you have a 5 head like me. It feels fantastic. I'm trying to just use upward motion. Fight that gravity. Yeah. So anyway. Alright, so I love it. I'm going to wash this off. I'm going to have to say it because I spent all that money. I'm going to wash... Sorry about my boogers. It blew my nose. What do you think, Emerson? Is it beautiful? I'm going to wash my face. I'm going to wash the brush head. And my skin's still wet, but I'm going to put on my serum. I have like a vitamin C serum that I use. My moisturizer, and see how my skin feels after. And then it says you can do it up to 3 times a day. I would say like probably I'll do it morning and night. But the massaging feels great, and this isn't even the massage head, so I love it so far. I'll let you know. Send me some comments if I'm doing it totally wrong. I probably am, and I apologize again about my horrible voice. Maybe it'll cure my cold. Oh my gosh. If it does, it's so worth the money. Anyway. Alright, so that was the Clarisonic Mia Smart. If I learn more, I'll post another video, or if I get the massaging head. Alright, have a great day.